Hi everyone, I am Shiv Gupta and today in this video I am going to share some effective LinkedIn marketing strategies that can help you to better leverage LinkedIn to be a powerful B2B marketing tool. Strategy number 1. Your LinkedIn page is an extension of your business website pipeline that enhances visibility as well as generate results. Create your business page, invite your clients and customers to follow you on your page that leads up to a conversion action. Use a header image to attract users. Write a compelling company profile. Also include all your contact details and social media links. Provide visual examples of your work. Make recommendations. Another thing which you can do is leverage LinkedIn groups. Search for the current groups on LinkedIn and identify the users to network. Create discussions on any topic and enhance your profile. You can easily create a group, add members, promote, post and monitor the group for better engagement. Remember to select the groups that are highly relevant and are also active, as LinkedIn ranks these groups with their activity level. Some of the easy ways to build a group are build connections, check out for a quality group and members, create a group button and upload a logo within 100 KB, provide your group name, summary, description, type, website URL, manager email, etc. Number 3. Target your customers. Your clients can be in any part of the world. So the advanced search option in LinkedIn helps you to identify the exact type of people you are targeting. You can easily target your customers by location, current company, industry, past company, school, profile, language, and non-profit interest. A growing personal network can help you find the targets and you can connect with them by sending a connection request with a personalized message. You can easily locate the companies, candidates, and career paths. Use the keyword fields. Target your searches using premium fields on LinkedIn. See the searches of target prospects. Share content or send an email to your prospects. Smart advertising. LinkedIn offers several advertising options including sponsored adverts, sponsored updates, content and text ads. This helps in generating leads, group members, attract new followers and also increase your company page followers. Target the audience and choose your budget to run ad campaigns, create display campaigns, etc. for branding. Use sponsored updates to engage new followers. Choose from CPA and CPM for clicks and brand awareness. Also, place ads on relevant LinkedIn pages. Use text ads with a catchy headline, description and an image. Measure your ad performance. 5th is optimize the performance. It is the must-have marketing strategy for every marketer to measure, monitor and track their business goals. The above strategies can help increase your company's position, brand awareness, reach out to new followers and also generate more leads. LinkedIn provides insights and statistics for the company pages, groups and advertisements by tracking your efforts using several analytical programs. See the number of impressions, get more likes, shares and comments, increase the number of clicks, convert new leads using opt-ins, increase brand visibility. This is a broad level strategy that leaves you a lot of room to track down more precise strategies. LinkedIn offers a lot of opportunities and is the ideal resource for B2B marketing. But without the right knowledge, it becomes just another time-sucking social network. Next time you are on LinkedIn, spend at least 30 minutes doing some advanced searches or group searches and see if you don't come up with at least 5 prospects. It's a start and it could very well turn into your next B2B sale. What is your experience in B2B marketing on LinkedIn? Let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you in another one. Until then, keep moving forward. Bye-bye.